All party Hurriyat conference leaders have said that the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah is not more than a criminal before the eyes of the people of the occupied Kashmir. APHC leaders and organizations including Ghulam Muhammad Khan Sopori, Sayyid Bashir Andrabi, Abdul Ahad Para, Khwaja Firdaus, Khadim Hussain and Sayyid Sibte Shabir Kummi in their statements issued in Srinagar said that the Amit Shah's visit tomorrow is akin to rubbing salt on the wounds of the oppressed Kashmiris. Posters have appeared in different areas of the occupied Kashmir saying that the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah's upcoming visit is tantamount to rubbing salt on the wounds of the oppressed people of the internationally recognized disputed territory. The posters were displayed by the pro-freedom organizations including Varsane Shohda, Sadai Mazloom Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir Political Resistance Movement, Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Movement and Jammu and Kashmir Students Youth Forum. Speakers at a seminar in Geneva while referring to the ruthless suppression of dissent in occupied Kashmir said that the freedom of expression remains totally suppressed in the occupied territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, the seminar was organized by World Muslim Congress on the sidelines of the 53rd session of the United Nations Human Rights Council in Geneva. Indian police arrested two innocent Kashmiri youth in Islamabad district of the occupied Kashmir. The police arrested the youth identified as Abrarul Haq Katto and Tausif Ahmad Butt from a checkpoint in Bijbihara area of the district. Jammu and Kashmir National Panthers Party leader Harsh Dev Singh has said that the remote-controlled governance of the occupied Kashmir by the New Delhi is not in the interest of the territory. Harsh Dev Singh was addressing the public meetings in Udhampur district of the Jammu region. Ram Mandir Uniform Civil Code and Bharat Ratna for Savaskar will take the center stage in the 2024 election agenda of the Narendra Modi-led Bharatiya Janata Party, says an independent online media platform, The Muslim Mirror.